How to create a Google Flights shortcut on your desktop. In this video, I'll show you how to create a Google Flights shortcut on your desktop, making it easier to plan your travels with just one click. Let's get started. First, open your web browser on your PC or laptop. Then go to google.com/flights. Once the Google Flights website has loaded, click the three-dot menu in the top right corner of your browser. Next, select Cast, Save and Share, and then click Create Shortcut. Enter a name for your shortcut. For example, you can name it Google Flights. After that, click Create. That's it. A Google Flights shortcut will now appear on your desktop. Whenever you click on it, your browser will automatically open Google Flights, saving you time when searching for flights and planning your trips. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos.